Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad with green leaves updated. Start by washing and drying your greens well, then combine a mix of textures like spinach, arugula, and romaine. Add crunchy elements such as nuts or seeds, toss with a light vinaigrette, and season with salt and pepper. Taste and adjust acidity or sweetness until the salad feels balanced and vibrant. Choose a variety of greens to create contrast, balancing bitter arugula with mild butter lettuce and sturdy romaine. Layer leaves by texture, so every bite has crunch or tenderness. Keep flavors complementary by adding one bold component, like radicchio or watercress, and one mild base. This approach helps dressings cling and ensures each forkful offers a pleasing mix of notes and mouthfeel for a satisfying salad. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, making it perfect for sipping while you prep salads or bring lunches to work. It's leak-proof and easy to clean, which saves time when meal prepping. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Make a quick vinaigrette using a 3:1 oil to acid ratio, whisking until emulsified, then season to taste with salt and pepper. Add-ins like roasted nuts, crumbled cheese, or sliced fruit introduce texture and contrast. For a fuller meal, include proteins such as beans, tuna, or grilled chicken. Always toss greens gently with dressing right before serving to preserve crispness and ensure even coating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.